All right, we've got some Schindler port elevators.
23, car B.
Schindler port with D series. Yo. I've never seen. Ooh, blue D series. I thought I saw a video of these and they were Otis.
Floor 23.
These are nice. I like these. These work well. Wait, is this? Is there like a panel behind that? No. Whoa. Jeez, I almost got my hand squished. I'm very curious. I'm gonna poke my head in. Where's the... Let's see quickly. Wait, what? Oh yeah, those are Otis. Let's get a view. Oh my God, I'm gonna come back up.
0, car B.
Big fancy chairs. There's a shopping mall down there and that has Tissons in it. Oh, look, there's an elevator down there. I'll have to film that. That is a hell of a view. Oh, look at that. Hold on.
0, car B.
That's interesting. Also 10 seconds. It's been a long 10 seconds. But I've never seen, oh wait. Hi.
Hello.
I've never seen it give a time estimate like that before. That's actually pretty neat.
Floor 0.
I don't think I've heard that bridge before. Oh yeah, look, they're modding. Oh, 22.
22, car A.
26. That is very neat. Oh wow. Look. And they actually show it on all the screens. This is neat. And so, oh, here comes the elevator. This is actually pretty neat. I've not seen Schindler ports like this before. I like these. These are really nice. Going up to 22.
Floor 22.
Anyway, look at this incredible view. How's that for a pretty scenic view? Anyway, that's it.